What's up, traders? Keon here. Now, before we get started, let's make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep pumping out content. All right, let's get started. Today, we alerted a QQQ 285 call that expired today for around $2.50 per contract. A great play for our small account. We simply played a 50 EMA support bounce on the 5-minute chart. As you can see, there were multiple candles that were holding. Having VIX and add on the side will always benefit you as well. I knew to stay in the play due to the fact that VIX was declining and the ad indicator was showing some buying momentum. Now let's check out some of our members' profits. As you can see, some members are hitting big on the QQQ. We also did play some QQQ puts as well earlier today. But as you can see, it's been a great day so far. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Come join our Discord absolutely free for 5 days. You got nothing to lose. The description is in down below.